Hi everyone, welcome to another Terry Talk. Happy St. Patrick's Day. May the luck of the Irish be with you. Now, the luck of the Irish, it's a great story, but not really a talent management strategy. It's a phrase that's often associated with good fortune and, of course, unexpected success. But when it comes to your HR and talent management needs, relying on luck is not a strategy. It's a bit of a gamble. Winning teams are not built on chance. They're built on leadership and intentional hiring, competitive compensation, culture that keeps people engaged. So whether it's attracting the right talent, retaining your best talent, managing transitions effectively, because maybe that's a necessity right now. Success comes from strategy, not from superstition. So on this St. Patrick's Day, let's celebrate the charm of Irish luck. But when it comes to your workforce, let's rely on expertise, not four-leaf clovers. We'll see you again next time.